What's the problem?
I don't know. I can't open the door. I can't. I don't know what happened.
What did you do?
I do nothing. I don't know what happened. This door.
So now what?
Now you have to help me to open the door.
Are you in the bathroom?
Of course, I told you. So strange. I don't know who broke the door. I just saw there's another dog in the bathroom.
Well, I have to go now.
Yes, you have to go. Yes.
So I'll see you later.